Hey guys, so what you're doing today is getting caught up on your essay. So if you have not yet started your essay, you need to get started on that today. What you need to do first is the topic paragraph, that's this rough draft. The second thing you need to do is this cluster 1 paragraph and then cluster 2 paragraph. This is my example of what I did, okay? And you'll see that here I introduce my topic, then I go down here and give you some more details, and then even more details, okay? So today, by the end of the day, or not, excuse me, by the end of the day, by the end of the week, you need to have a rough draft topic, a rough draft paragraph 1, and a rough draft paragraph 3. And you are going to do this in the same document that you used when you did your rough draft topic. You're just going to open it back up and plop your paragraphs in there. Now, it says rough draft cluster. So the way you find that is you go back into your cluster. That's not it. You go back into your cluster that we did a couple weeks ago. And you see here that you have your clusters. If you do not have your clusters anymore, if that's gone, that's okay. You can use the outline that you did in step 3. Okay, you can do that outline. All right, this will help you with that too. Okay, so what you need to get done today is you need to have the rough draft paragraph, the rough draft cluster 1, and the rough draft cluster 2. A lot of you already have 1 done. Some of you have 1 and 2 done. But by the end of this week, I need you to have 1, 2, and 3 done and submitted to me. All right. Call me, email me, text me if you need anything.